got a surprise package in the mail today from Amazon. This is another helmet to go along with this guy. But let's open this up and see what we got. This should be a modular helmet. It looks huge. Look at that, one hand. There we go. So it looks like it should match the bike pretty well. And now I've got a modular helmet. I do believe there's a red switch under here. Yep. It does have the built-in sun visor. Right there. So that's the new helmet. We'll try it on, see how it fits. Hopefully everything works out great. I had to send the last one back because it was too big. But we're gonna try this on and see how we like it.